Hey YouTube, I woke up early this morning. As you can see, it's morning. I'm going to eat habanero pepper. Yeah. I got a bunch from Food Line yesterday. And then there's a jalapeno in there. Fat jalapeno. So yeah. I'm gonna eat habanero. And to the fire breathing idiot. Dude, you're awesome. You have like the best pepper videos out there. And Bishop Brad, Pepper Lucha. I guess I should call you Pepper Lucha, right? Yeah, Pepper Lucha. You guys are awesome. You guys make awesome vids and stuff. I'm getting some Boojalokis in the mail, so can't wait to do that. So yeah, here we go. I have water. Oh, it's early in the morning. I'll look at the time. I'll start at 2 minutes and chew it for 30 seconds and then spit it out. Wait. Oh, crap. Hold on. 205. Seeds are in my teeth. Oh, God, that's hot. I don't know how I'm gonna do the Boojalopia. Oh my God. Piece of placenta was stuck in between my teeth. I don't know when I spit it out. Well, I spit it out at 35. Good flavor, but they're really hot. I'm not gonna drink until like 9 minutes or something like that. But I know it's weird, but I don't know how to like, like stop the video and edit it and like add on to it so you guys don't have to watch the whole thing. Gums. Alright, I'm gonna... God, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to freaking edit the video. So I'll make a video and all it took it's to 7 minutes, and I'll make a video. I'll make a separate video after math. So hot. Alright, guys, bye. I'll make a video in a couple minutes. I won't drink anything.